Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brainy Mood. In today's video, we are going to talk about soft skills and why you need them. Keep watching this video till the end to find out 5 soft skills that you need to succeed in life. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so that you never miss any of our videos. Without any more delay, let's get this video started. Introduction to soft skills. Soft skills are a blend of strong interpersonal skills, communication skills, people skills, personality characteristics, attitudes, positive thinking, mental qualities, mathematical skills, and other intangible skills. These types of skills are what differentiate successful people from each other and help them achieve goals in their life. But there are 2 major things we must have in order to be skilled workers. Soft skills help build up a strong work ethic and a positive attitude. Soft skills are non-verbal qualities that help you interact better with your colleagues, customers, and anybody else you come in contact with within your workplace. Strong verbal communication skills mean clearer gestures, fewer misunderstandings, less conflict, and an easier working environment, amongst other rewards. Here are some ways you can cultivate these skills at work. Soft skills are the personality characteristics and behavior patterns you have learned throughout your life. They include your general outlook and approach to life, the way you communicate with others, how you enjoy being treated, and the interaction you have with others. Unlike hard skills or technical skills, soft skills aren't just about the knowledge you have, but instead the behaviors you demonstrate in different circumstances. You can be hardworking and know how to get things done, but if you don't approach problems with an open mind and willingness to learn, your results will always be less than ideal. On the other hand, the golden rule is if you treat everyone with kindness, respect, and compassion, your results will be much more optimistic than you can imagine. It doesn't matter what type of job you're seeking or what industry you are in, because soft skills will serve you just as well, whether you are seeking a new career or looking to move up in your current job. These soft skills include your attitudes, your intelligence, your communication, your creativity, your problem-solving skills, and your self-confidence. You'll want to hone in on the areas of these that you struggle with the most, and address those right away in order to maximize your potential. Why are soft skills needed in our life? Soft skills are non-specific, non-numeric skills that pertain to how well you function within a work environment. They include how effectively you deal with issues, how well you negotiate, and how well you complete your work. In general, these skills include interpersonal skills, as well as those that are involved in the process of building and sustaining healthy relationships. The ability to deal positively with others and the ability to communicate effectively with coworkers or supervisors are necessary traits to possess if you are going to work in a professional environment. Why is it important to develop soft skills? Well, there are a number of reasons why this is so. Most importantly, from a career perspective, employers look for individuals who are willing to take ownership of their jobs. Employees who possess initiative and who are able to take responsibility for their position are seen as capable self-starters and who are ready to tackle any problems that may arise. On the other hand, individuals who are shy or who tend to procrastinate are less likely to be promoted or may even be terminated. As such, developing these skills in employees is not only important from an employer's perspective, but also for the employee. Some of them include being motivated, self-reliance, a good listener, and someone who is detail-orientated and capable of working under pressure. These qualities are qualities that would translate to success in any endeavor. In addition to this, if an individual has these traits, they say that they would be happier, healthier, and more productive in their personal and professional lives. In line with this idea, if employees can display these traits at work, then they will have fewer problems and conflicts within the workplace. In addition to this, these individuals say that they are more pleasant and laid back because they know how to manage their own behaviors and that of coworkers. 5 soft skills you need to succeed. Finally, we are going to discuss the top 5 soft skills that are needed to achieve success. Number 1. Time management. Whether it is the corporate ladder or your own personal life, time management is essential. The best time management strategies help to manage time, prevent distractions, and even lock your attention on tasks. Good time management skills also include an effective planning process. If you can divide a task into many smaller ones, then you can schedule a time for each of them. Doing so can help you to divide large and important tasks into more manageable portions of the day. You can also divide big projects into smaller projects. A good time management skill is one that gives you the option to plan effectively and meet deadlines with success. Time management is the best time of all strategies and helps you stay focused on what you must do and prevent distractions from taking away your focus. It is easy to lose track of time if you have too many things that need to get done and are not able to separate the two. An organized to-do list can help you keep track of your progress. And if you find yourself taking too much time on unimportant tasks, then create a list of the relevant tasks for the day and stick to them. This way, you will always know how much time you have left for the most important tasks, and you will be forced to prioritize and finish them off accordingly. Number 2, creative thinking. Creative thinking is one of the most important soft skills needed for success in life. One of the first things people look for as a particular leadership skill is creative thinking. The ability to come up with fresh, innovative graphic design ideas is an excellent selling point for you. Creative thinking is soft skills that depend on both external and internal sources to assist people to reach their goals. They include social awareness, negotiation, compromise, problem-solving, creativity, and self-help. These are basically the building blocks of good leadership. When you demonstrate your creativity in the workplace, it means that you can think of solutions for even the toughest of problems. This means you have an in-depth understanding of how things work. You should think about the worst possible scenario and work towards ways to minimize the worst. Creative thinking is one of the most important soft skills that every leader must have. Creative thinking can be defined as a way of coming up with innovative solutions to problems that a person is facing in his or her everyday life. Oftentimes, creative thinking involves lateral thinking, which means the ability to see patterns that aren't immediately obvious. Creative thinking can mean devising better ways to perform daily tasks, resolve problems, and overcome challenges. It can be used in all aspects of life and plays a crucial role in every area of life. And that is pretty good. Number 3. Adaptability. The third skill is adaptability. It is a term that can be applied to a person's ability to change and adapt. It means that one is capable of quickly responding to emerging trends, instability, industry changes, and all other things. This skill to quickly adapt or change makes an individual nimble, and this is very important, since most industries today are always in some sort of state of constant flux. A person with this quality can see great opportunities in virtually any field. Why is adaptability a very important skill? When looking at the world today, it is easy to see how everything is changing so rapidly. For example, businesses can have a 10-year plan and still have major swings within those plans, and in the time it takes for those plans to work out. A person with good skills in adaptability can handle change and quickly adapt to that change. For instance, one of the best ways for people to become flexible and better at being adaptable is by making adjustments when necessary. If you see a situation that requires new things to change, you try to make adjustments to it. This is especially important for leadership. Leaders are tasked with making adjustments for situations. If you are able to adjust your behavior and mannerisms to meet a new requirement, you have a much better chance of being able to adapt. Number 4. Communication. Lastly, the area where people overlook this essential quality is their communication skills. Believe it or not, communication skills are considered to be one of the most vital soft skills when it comes to the workplace. Communication skills include not only the ability to communicate well, but also being able to listen effectively to others. Strong and effective communication skills, coupled with your problem-solving skills and technical skills, will help you stand out from the crowd of applicants. Human nature, however, often throws applicants off guard, so it helps to have some training regarding the different kinds of communication and personality styles that employers are looking for in their potential employees. You must be able to communicate well with your peers and supervisors. As you move up in your career and climb the ladder of management, you will be required to communicate with higher-level employees on a regular basis. This is especially true if you are applying for higher-level positions within your company. Number 5. Teamwork. The next soft skill that many people overlook is teamwork, or you can call it team play. Communicating effectively is important, but teamwork is even more vital. Teamwork allows you to exchange information and benefit from the collaboration of others, as well as working together towards a common goal. It's important to remember that employers look to employees more for ideas, advice, and assistance than they do for manual labor, which makes team play and teamwork that much more important. When employers look for workers who exhibit these types of behaviors, they are often looking for individuals who are willing to extend their skills beyond the traditional office-based work environment. Good teamwork builds strong work ethics. You must have a strong work ethic if you want to be successful in life. You must always be thinking of ways to improve yourself along with your team, whether it's with your job or outside of work. And you always want to ask questions and learn new things. A smart worker always asks questions and builds trust with his co-workers. That is why he is always on top of things. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want us to bring more videos like these, then consider turning on the post notifications so that you never miss any of our newly released videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!